Welcome back to another Plum Shop tutorial. In this video, I'm going to showcase some of the dashboard, how to view the results, and more specifically, how to apply filters to the data. First, we're going to take a look at some results. You can do this by searching through results in your home page, or on the left-hand side, clicking the All Orders button and finding the project and viewing the results you wish to view. Once you've selected that project, you can view all the results. By default, every single response that was collected in this project are viewable, so you can scroll down and see all the answers and data that our shoppers or agents collected. But oftentimes when we have bigger projects, we want to apply some filters so that this data can give us the answers we're needing. This is where you can come up to the additional filters section and click the Add Filter button. From here, it pulls up a drop-down menu where you can apply several different types of filters. The first type of filter is going to be a filter by our agents. This is where you can select agent and then filter by a handful of different demographics. Let's take household income for example. If you want to see how people of different household incomes answer the questions here, you would select household income from the drop-down, and then you would be able to choose a category of household income that these shoppers belong to, and that way you would see how shoppers from different household incomes were answering the survey. Another way to filter responses is by the location. So you can select location, and then there's a few different options for applying a filter by the location. Finally, you have the ability to filter by the questions and answers within the data directly. So you can select the question filter, and then under that, you'll see the different questions asked here. One really awesome way to filter through this type of data is to select its availability, such as were you able to find this item, and then find all the people who said no that they weren't. Applying this filter will pull up all of the different people who responded that they weren't able to find an item. Doing this can give you a really good sense of what's happening within these store locations where people aren't able to find the item. Then you can look in the photos and the map to see which regions and where in the store people weren't able to find the product. But that is a quick tutorial on how to apply filters to results. If you have any questions, feel free to use the live chat feature in the bottom right-hand corner, or you can email us directly using hello@plumshop.com. Thank you for shopping Plum.